Welcome! In this tutorial you will learn to create suspense. Writing for suspense means crafting your story in a way that makes your readers feel excited, curious, and a little bit scared. It should be like going on an adventure where you don't know what's going to happen next. You want to keep your readers on the edge of their seats. You want their hearts pounding, their knees shaking, and their breathing quickening. So how do we achieve this? In this tutorial, you will create suspense by using personification. Personification is a way of creating more interesting and engaging writing by making non-human things seem like they have human thoughts, feelings, and actions. For example, if you were to write "the rain tapped on the window pane," you are giving the raindrops the ability to do something humans can do. Tap like fingers against the glass. The easiest way you can create personification is by choosing verbs that imply human-like behavior. The leaves trembled in fear. The river roared with anger. The wind screamed and clawed at the tent. The old rusty gate screeched in protest as it swung open, as if warning of the horrors that lay in the graveyard ahead. The moon played its own game of hide and seek, timidly peeking from behind the clouds before swiftly retreating, as if it too was afraid of what lay concealed in the forest. The candle's flame wrestled with the chilling wind, but in a sudden defeat it succumbed, and the room plunged into darkness. Personification can also be created by choosing adjectives that imply human-like behavior. The furious storm grumbled loudly. The tired flashlight flickered once more. Restless shadows filled the room. As we reached the edge of the canyon, the devious mist decided this was the time to join us. I searched for the mischievous key. It had to be here somewhere. The restless clock ticked with an unrelenting urgency, reminding me that I was running out of time. The ravenous typhoon devoured everything in its path as Julia anxiously waited inside her trembling nipa hut. So, in a nutshell, create personification by carefully choosing the verbs and adjectives you use to give non-human things human-like qualities. Personification creates suspense by literally bringing your descriptions to life.